Checkpoint 13.24 show the output of the following code. Here is the date. Date actually implements clonable interface, for example. That can be done. So this kind of example, it's better to draw a picture to make it simpler. So let me hide it and let me bring the paint. So if you look at here, date, okay, we have an object called date. Then normally I draw the box for object reference variable referring to date class, okay. So that's how it's going to be look like. The second one, almost identical, but this one saying we have date 1 object reference variable. Okay, that's what we have. Date 1 object reference variable refers to date object. Okay, date object is the one referring to 1. Basically same object. Okay. Then date 2, we have date 2. Sorry, that should be date. This should be date. Okay. We have a date 2. Date 2 refers to this object. But if you look at this object, we are using date class and then, typecasting. By using this object and clone it, okay? So we are using this object and then clone it. It means we use this and clone it. So there is another object. Okay, we have another object. Okay, that's the clone object. Then date 2 refers to the clone object. So if you look at picture this way, it's clear. Try to answer the question. Hopefully you can see this. Let me make it slightly smaller. Okay. Okay, that way. So you can look at the picture. That two equal signs. Usually I said we are looking at whether date object is same as the date 1. So here date 1. Okay. And then date 1, date and date 1 all referring to same object. So this is true. Date, okay. Date and then date 2, okay. This, okay, and that, not the same. So I will say this is true. Clearly the second one is not true. Okay. Date object equals to date 2. Okay. Date object here equals to date 2. It is same because it's a clone object, even though it's not the same object. We are looking at the equals where object has the same date. So date 1, that's the clone object. So date 2 are same. I think that's it for the questions. Okay. So when you have a questions about the interface, especially the clonable interface, it might be better to draw the picture so you can clearly see the difference between one object, original one, and then the clone object, which is here. That's it. Thank you.